Hey everybody, in this video, I'm going to tell you all about the YT Titan course. And if you were thinking about getting YT Titan, this video will give you a preview of what's inside this course so you'll know exactly what you're getting. So if you've ever been interested in affiliate marketing, you may or may not know that YouTube is one of the best and most profitable platforms for doing affiliate marketing. And YT Titan gives you the ultimate training on exactly how you can start from scratch and create a thriving and profitable YouTube affiliate marketing business that brings in tons of traffic and commissions day after day, week after week. And this is the type of business where you can do some initial work up front, and then it can bring you passive income for months or years to come. And even better, you don't have to show your face on camera or even use your own voice if you don't want to. And you don't even need any prior experience, okay? This course is 100% beginner friendly, and the series of video lessons break down every step in a way that is easy to understand and simple to follow. So let's take a look inside of the YT Titan course. So here's a look inside the training section of YT Titan. The very first module is an intro to the process, okay? This is just a brief introduction that introduces you to the system that you're going to be following throughout the course. Next is a module about joining affiliate networks, okay? So here you're going to find out about some affiliate networks that offer instant approval. So you can sign up to these and start promoting products and offers right away. And there's also information about other affiliate networks and some ways to find affiliate networks for virtually any product you can imagine. And next is a section about selecting a niche. So in this section, you're going to learn some very important information about things to consider when you're choosing a niche for your affiliate YouTube channel. So it teaches you how to do proper research on a niche to make sure that you're choosing a niche that is profitable and that can continue to be profitable over a long period of time. Okay, then we have a section about setting up your channel. So this is going to teach you exactly how to set up an affiliate YouTube channel and properly optimize it from scratch. Okay, that's a very important one. And then the next three modules are about setting up social profiles and properly interlinking them with your YouTube channel. Okay, and doing this properly is going to help to build authority to your YouTube channel. So these modules are going to walk you through step by step exactly how to do this properly. So there's one for creating a Facebook page, one for creating a Twitter account, and one for creating a Tumblr account. And then in the next section, you're going to learn about setting up syndication. So this lesson shows you how to set up syndication networks that will automatically syndicate your YouTube videos out to different social profiles and other websites to give your videos automatic social shares and backlinks, which helps to boost your channel authority and also to boost your videos rankings. Okay, then we have a section about types of videos to make. So in this section, you learn about the different types of videos that tend to work very well for affiliate marketing, and it shows you how to decide which types of videos might be best for your specific offer or product that you're promoting. Then this next section is extremely important. So this lesson is all about the importance of buyer intent, and it basically gives you an in-depth look at how people search for and buy products. And this lesson teaches some very important and effective strategies for creating the right type of content that is likely to convert into a sale. Then the next section is about finding products to promote. So in this lesson, you're going to learn some ways to find products within your niche that people are actually searching for and looking to buy, but that don't have too much competition. Then in the next section, you're going to learn about selecting the right keywords. So this section is all about doing proper keyword research, and it shows you some